Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Blankon FA. So my name is Fajar Runibadiar, and today we will learn something about Websocket. This is part 2. I think we will in this part I think we will make a simple subscription. um, so you can open. I have this is server. Double click server, then open frmine. So you can see on data module here WS protocol. You can see on subscription and on unsubscription. This is for client subscription. If client subscribe some channel, it will be get message into here. So yeah, you can see okay, what can wait, you can click on WS protocol this and go to event and double click on subscription. So you can type fmine.memlog.line.add, and this is subscript, sorry, IP, this is connection IP, and subscript is a subscription. Okay, so on the unsubscribes, you can just copy this and paste it. Okay, like this. This is unsubscribe. Okay, and okay, like this. And let's go to on message. This is double click here. You can type fmine.memlog.line.add. This is connection .ip, and this is for a message text like this. And okay, it's done, I think. Okay, and I think you can, so you can add, this is tab control here, tab control, this is content, and this is TCMine. Add new tab. This is for TE connection, and this is for publish. Okay, so sorry, TE publish, and you can move this into TE connection, and on TE publish you can add this one more. This is for this is channel, and this is message. You can add new corner button here, to corner button. This is for button send, and this is button broadcast. Okay, no, this is the right button send. Okay, send. You can change this to name, add channel, and this is add message. Okay. So if if channel.text is null, exit, can type memlog.line.add, please fill channel fill, and message to add message, please fill message fill. Okay, and then you can type dm ws protocol broadcast. This is message, add message, and in the dot text and add channel dot text. Okay, just like this. This is for broadcast. This is for server side, and then you can going to fmine, then on so tcmine dot tab index is a 0, and okay, go back to client side. You can open frmine. This is for sample. You can add new tab. I think this is index 2 TE subscript. Okay, so on WS protocol you can go even. This is on subscription and on unsubscription. You can double click this and just copy this. Like this is subscript into channel subscription. Okay. Oh, this is unsubscript. Okay, and then go to methods here, and you can type memlog dot line dot add this is message, and then text. Okay. So you can copy this. You can copy this. Okay, and then paste to here. Okay, let's see. this is 417. Okay, you can copy one more and here. Aduh. Okay. This is left. Okay. This is subs, and this is for sending messages, and this is for subscription. You can change the name. It's button subs. Okay. Double click here. If add channel.text is empty, then begin and exit. So message. So message. Please fill channel fill. Okay, and then you can type with protocol.subscript add channel.text. Okay, and on message in here you can double click here. So if add message, just copy from this, double click and copy this. Okay, and then WS protocol, I think this is so message, and here, and here we have protocol dot publish. This is add message dot text, and this is add channel dot text. Okay, and okay, so you can running the server. You can connect. I'm going to TI publish. Double click on PRG client and compile. So connected here and going to TI subscribe. And if you type here, for example, hello with channel sample. So this is this client not receive the message. We can do open one apps again. This is to a client. Okay, you can connect. This is to client, and if you send here, it's no message. Okay, but if you subscribe first, for example, I will subscribe sample here, and so this IP is subscribe sample channel. And if I send message, go to TI log. If server client message hello on sample channel, and this is will be get the message hello, but on here it's not get the message because this is not subscribe this channel, sample channel. Okay, so if you can like this. So if client 2 subs this channel, it will be get the message. For example, okay, IP this subscribe this channel. Okay, you can see this is hello hello hello. And if this client sending a message, for example, hello world, Okay, this is not, it must be wait, I think something wrong here on client side. Sending text channel, something wrong here. We can close first this. Okay, wait, let's see on the WS protocol. I see. This event is received the message. You can double click in on event, so you can type here memlog.line .line.add. This is from channel, this is channel, and message is this is text. Okay, and on server you can see on DM data module WS protocol. On the not on before publish here you can have mine.memlog.line.add. This is channel channel and a message. This is for text. Text. Okay, like this. So we can close the server and reopen. Wait. Server open. Okay, then connect. Going to client. We will open to client here. Okay. Here. Okay. Now connect into server and subscribe some channel sample. For example, yeah, this is two subscribes, and you can see here it's hello, and then you can get the message from this client. And if you can samplers, this is subscribe sample but not subscribe samplers, and if you click send here, this not receive the message from samplers, but if you samplers channel, it will be received the message hello world. Okay, just like that for this subscription and unsubscription. And this can send message to hello world, and okay, this get the message, and this is not the message hello world. Okay, let's see, subscribe. Okay, this is because this not subscribes this channel, so before this client not receive this message, but after this after this client subscribe, this client get this message. Okay. So this is for video for Websocket subscription, and thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.